Morning, sorry about the sun here. I got a quick post for a 2019 Boston Whaler. Let me spin the camera around and give you a look. Okay, 2019 Boston Whaler, 90 horsepower Mercury. I'll give you a quick video tour. It's very clean, 100 hours. It's got a Solas prop, 4-blade, does about 45-50. Very clean. I think I might have said that already, but it's clean. I'll start it up and show you the vessel view as well, but I'm on that particular phone right now, so I can't do that, but I'll show it to you at the end of the video. Split tongue trailer. Okay, I had to go in and get my iPad because I wanted to show you the vessel view on my phone. So I'm going to start the engine. Here we go. So if you got any questions, please let me know. My name is Mike.